Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is Mahindra New Haven, which is located in Singhisindra, Bangalore, a project by Mahindra Life Spaces. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So about the land parcel, so here is the land parcel where the construction work is going on. Now about the marketing office is just beside the land parcel itself. Now let's talk about the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 2.37 acres of land parcel, featuring with one residential towers, with this tower with ground plus 24 floors, consisting of 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, so this project is located near Manipal County Road, Aishwarya Crystal Layout in Singhisindra, Bangalore. So let me show you that this will be the internal road of the project, which will connect you to Manipal County Road. Now with the further connectivity of the project, so let me guide you with the further connectivity of the project. You can connect to Hosa Metro Station in 1.5 kilometers, Singhisindra Metro Station 1.5 kilometers, Begur Fort is 3.5 kilometers away, D-Mart 4.9 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in this project is unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, vitrified tiles, CCTV fittings, power backup, CCTV and many more. About the external amenities now, so this project offers you with multiple amenities like golf, jogging track, infinity pool, kids play area, clubhouse, indoor game and many more. Now about the parking provision. This project has one type of car parking, and that is the ground level. Now let's do the master plan. This is the master plan of Mahindra New Haven. As you can see in the image, the project features a thoughtfully planned layout with open spaces and modern design, featuring single tower. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1950 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 2150 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 2450 square feet super built-up area. Now the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So on land parcel, the excavation work is in progress. Now about the position part. So the RERA position is December 2029, but the target position by Mahindra Life Spaces is December 2028. If you are looking for more details of the project along with pros and cons, Housey.com is here. We'll be getting all the information of the project. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project that is Mahindra New Haven, located in Singhisindra, Bangalore, a project by Mahindra Life Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.